The vicious cycle of every working personnel is having an unrealistic fitness goal along with work pressure, which leads to inconsistent exercise routine. What we as working person really want is to be active, agile and use our muscles to their maximum potential on a daily basis, which is why we have come up with brief exercise circuits. Now we are starting to warm up for 5 minutes. The warm up will be from head to toe, so we will start first with neck rotations, anti-clockwise followed by clockwise. This warm up can also be done as a part of cool down. Now we will be starting with our right shoulder rotations. First anti-clockwise and then clockwise, which can be done alternatively. Then slowly we will be starting towards our left shoulder rotations in a while. Similarly, anti-clockwise and then clockwise for our left shoulder rotations. Keep enjoying the process. Now we will be doing some tricep stretch. For that, first take your right hand to the left side of your body and use your left hand to pull it a little bit further. Similarly on the other side. Now we will be doing over the head stretch. For that, extend your hands upwards and calf raised. Then taking the stretch on the right hand side or left hand side alternatively. Then going down onto our hip rotations, which will be also done anti-clockwise and clockwise. It's important that you keep breathing and enjoy the process. You might feel a little bit of stretch here. Going further down, we will be going to our knee rotations. Similarly as hip rotations, you will be going for anti-clockwise and then clockwise. Now we will be going for calf raises. Calf is also known as the second heart of our body, so it's important to pump those calf muscles. And it sends blood back to the heart. Now it's important to stretch the hamstrings, so first take one of the legs to front and the other leg bent on the backhand side. Similarly on the other leg. As hamstrings, quadriceps are also important to be stretched. Those are the muscles present on the front of our thigh. It might be difficult at the beginning, but take it slow. You can also use a wall for assistance. Now for ankle rotations, you can start clockwise and anti-clockwise for either of your ankles. Try to balance yourself. You can also take assistance of the wall or a chair. Now you are all set to start the exercise circuit. Pump it up, guys. We start with the burpee, going to the push-up, then doing the side kicks on both the sides, followed by hip rotations on both the sides, Just see how it is done. Then go for mountain climbers, 10 in count. Keep breathing, keep your core tight all the time. The core is the most important part in the mountain climber. Now breathe in and breathe out. This is back and forth position. So you first breathe in and then now you breathe out. Keep going. And then a deep exhalation into a squat position. Going up, repeat this for 5 sets. Now coming to a rest with a post-workout stretching session of 5 to 10 minutes. Going into a sumo squat and settling in. Just feel the stretch and keep breathing. Now this is what I am doing is a knee push, where in the knee push you are trying to push one of the knees away from the body, and by this you are able to do your inner thigh stretch. Do it on both the sides. Now we are extending both the legs and going down on our body, followed by a side lunge where both the feet are grounded to the floor and not raising up. It might be a little challenging, but try to do it and keep your core tight in between. Relax your legs in between. And then now what we are going to do is a switch between sumo squat to a side lunge. Sumo squat to lunge, then again a sumo squat, then a lunge. Now we are going to do a side lunge with a little variation where the toe points upwards. This will open up the hamstrings. This is the last, the knee to the floor. It's very challenging. It was very challenging for me to do as well. But try to do and try to touch your knee as far as possible.
Well done on completing this circuit. Stay consistent with us in this health journey.
And don't forget to subscribe.